Hello there, and welcome to the Unbelievable. Despite this cat being a little aggressive, this real-life hero dog still saves it from drowning. A noble young bull is seen giving a monkey a lift home. A bear intruder is no match for the house pet currently on guard. A tiger that has got your back is the best kind of protector you could ever want. This group of cats has no intentions of leaving anyone behind. A group of friends are pretending to be in a scuffle, and this cow comes running to the rescue. This dog is an absolute legend.
Beer me. Come here, Beer. Bring it here. Come on, over here. Good girl.
This helpful chicken not only lays eggs, but also keeps the local pets warm in winter. What better assistant could you want when exploring the Alaskan wilderness? This video shows a cat protecting a toddler from a hot stove. Security cameras capture a German Shepherd chasing a fox away from the chicken coop.
Beer me. Good. Shut the door. Shut the door.
A pig goes to the aid of a goat who got its foot stuck underwater. A herd of buffalo save one of their own from a lioness attack.
never seen anything like that.
This golden retriever is recorded dragging his friend away from a cat fight. This awesome dog saves his brother from the dangers of the pool. This dog helps his owner's grandma, who is in a wheelchair, by removing any obstacles in her way. A man demonstrates the protective instincts of his pet cow.
Go get a beer. Good.
This amazing footage shows two mortal enemies showing affection and love. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Unbelievable.